Inside the cutting bay, high-definition plasma cutters trace complex paths, while automated systems precisely stack the newly formed hull sections. The hull undergoes pressure testing in the immersion tank. High-pressure air is pumped in. Bubbles would indicate a breach. High-strength steel torsion bars are slid into the chassis, providing the Bradley with its off-road mobility. Hydraulic rams seat the bars with precision. Using the laser alignment tool, technicians calibrate the thermal viewer, ensuring the sensors provide an immediate.
The automatic fire suppression system charges to optimal pressure. The technician confirms all sensors are active and the system is armed and operational.
The massive turret ring, machined to a mirror finish, is lubricated with aerospace grease to ensure silent, smooth rotation.
The TOW missile launcher elevates hydraulically. Final checks confirm the guidance systems are active and the missile seals are secure for launch readiness.
Electrical connections secure. Alignment verified. System is green. Scene 30, the turret to hull mating, the final marriage. Technicians guide the turret ring into place with millimeter precision before torquing the bolts to specification. Using the track jack, we join the links. Then, we adjust the hydraulic tensioner to achieve the precise sag required for cross-country performance. Mounting the Blue Force tracker antenna is crucial. Once connected, the system rapidly acquires a GPS lock, populating the tactical display with friendly positions. The heavy armored side skirts are swung into place and secured with locking pins. Then, the thick rubber mud flaps are bolted onto the rear of the vehicle. A compact diesel APU is installed, allowing the Bradley to run its electronics and turret without the main engine, enabling silent watch missions.
1212. Testing signal strength.
The clear red hydraulic fluid pulses through the lines, flushing out contaminants and air bubbles. Technicians.
Armor plating looks good here. How's the paint gauge reading?
Within tolerance. Everything checks out on the rear ramp.
Laser painted.
Integrating the Iron Fist active protection system involves securing the hexagonal radar panels, followed by a precision self-test of the counter-munition launcher. The lenses are coated with a specialized polymer, preventing fogging. As it dries under the UV lamp, the coating fluoresces with a deep violet hue.
Testing external communications, line 1, how do you read?
Solid copy, Bravo 2. Audio is clear.
The straps drag on the ground to bleed off static electricity, protecting the sensitive mission computers from electrical surges. As the DVE calibrates, the contrast is adjusted, shifting the thermal palette until the heat source is bright white against the cool gray environment. These high-intensity LED headlights provide a clear view for miles while drawing minimal power. The steel grills protect them from rocks and shrapnel.
Tranquil Hooverly. The HMPTI 500 transmission's dedicated oil cooler is tested for flow and heat dissipation. The
Auxiliary heater functional check complete. Ignition sequence successful. Stable temperature increase confirmed.
All right, easy down. Watch the left side.
Holding it steady. Looks aligned. Go ahead and bolt it.
The interior of the Bradley is sprayed with a specialized antibacterial and antifungal solution to ensure the troop compartment is sterile.
Weight stabilizing on all 4 corners.
Looking good for air transport.
Confirmed balanced. Uploading data now.
Lifter slow and steady. Watch the clearance on the left.
Holding steady, coming up.
All right, swing it towards the stand now.
Steady, keep coming forward. 5 inches.
Clearance clear on the left. Hold.
Brake set.